So now let's summarize today's lesson. We started by looking at the material that erupts from a volcano. We said there are three basic materials that erupt from a volcano. These materials are pyroclastic materials, liquid materials, and gaseous materials. We gave some examples of pyroclastic materials where we talked about lava blocks, ashes, etc. We also talked about the liquid material, that is magma, and superheated water known as gases. The gaseous material, we talked about water vapor, hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and the rest. So these are some of the materials erupted from volcanoes. We also looked at volcanic landforms, where we talked about intrusive volcanic landforms. We said intrusive volcanic landforms are landforms that are formed as a result of the eruption, cooling, and solidification of magma within the earth crust. That means with intrusive volcanic landform, they do not form on the surface, but rather below the earth crust or beneath the earth crust. We talked about batholith, where we said it is the largest of all intrusive volcanic landforms. It has a dome shape and is formed as a result of the cooling and solidification of magma deep down the earth crust. We also talked about dikes and sills, where we said dikes are formed discordantly to the surrounding rocks, and sills are formed concordantly to the bedding planes of rocks. So we looked at a brief difference between the dike and the sill. You can see the sill here. Say that the sill is concordantly formed and the dike is discordantly formed. So the dike forms a wall whilst the sill forms a tabular sheet of rocks. So that is it for today's lesson. We'll meet next time and continue with the other intrusive landforms.